So first I'm gonna measure the center of the wall. It's there, mark it up. Now I'm gonna put the plasterboard plug into the wall. Drill in here. Then I'm gonna change the camera angle and tighten from here. Battery dying. It's fine. I use half manually with my hand. Little bit of damage, but doesn't matter because it's behind the wall. So now I'm gonna put the screw in. First attach it with my hands and now screw in and done. Hang the mirror. Give it a little bit of clean. That's it. And job done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.